Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Poul. With me today is
Chef Amy.
And we have Chef Alex.
Hello.
Wow, all three of us here at once. What do you think? My lovely wife and I were deciding we're talking about salad the other day. Jess, you were talking about your crazy 7-layer salad. By the way, guys, if you go to a restaurant and they're trying to sell you on this big 7-layer salad to make you spend a lot of money, it's a scam. It's just a salad that's done in layers instead of tossed. There's tossed salad and then there's layer salad. Same thing, not worth anymore. So another thing Jess was a little concerned about. She's concerned about her weight, her diet. She's trying to feel a little better, trying to do better with that. So one of the things when you're eating salad is people eat with a lot of dressing, and sometimes that dressing's not good for you. In fact, it's really bad for you. It can actually negate the whole effects of actually eating a healthy salad. So one thing is, the salad does call for some onion powder and some garlic powder. I don't feel like doing that. I don't know. Amy wants to use the powder. I don't.
No.
And you know why?
We have onions.
And you know why I'm not going to do that? The whole reason I'm not going to do that is because the powder is more of a, it gives off more of a, there's salt to it, right? So we're going to reduce the sodium. We don't need it. So that's a little more than 1 cup of cauliflower. So this is something we were researching, and yeah, I know it seems a little crazy, but I'm crazy, so let's try this. So we're going to try that. So 1 cup of cauliflower. I use a little bit more than a cup, not a big deal. And then I'm going to put 1 cup of water. This, I guess you could say, is vegan. There's no oil in this. No mayo, nothing like that. So
There's no meat.
No meat. Well, it's a salad dressing. So I'm going to take some onion and garlic. I'm going to put this over the food processor.
Seconds.
Yeah, we do need the food processor again in a second, but for now this will do good. Salad dressing should taste good, but it should also be healthy too. Because, I mean, if you're eating salad, then you're eating salad for a healthy reason, but if you're going to dump a bunch of garbage into it,
then it becomes unhealthy.
yeah, it'd be like dumping a whole bunch of sugar into your tea to make it taste better, but you're drinking your tea to eat healthier.
Yeah.
I mean, what kind of sense does that make, right?
Doesn't.
So I have some chives right here. Was going to use some parsley with this, but I think my wife caused a little bit of an accident with it because I can't find it anymore. Not a big deal. You don't need it. So I'm going to put a little bit of
It's right here, honey.
apple cider vinegar. No, that's chives. I told you not to worry about it. That's chives and cilantro.
Oh.
So now the only other thing we need here is a cup of cashews. Now this is a new recipe for me. I've never done this before. I don't know if this is going to taste good. I don't know what this is going to taste like. It might taste good, it might not taste good.
Well, there's only one way to know, is to try.
Yep. And if this tastes good, then you know what? Then we
make it all the time.
We'll make it all the time. This is what we're going to use for our salads.
Yeah.
And this bag was 1 cup of cashews.
That's it?
That's it. I didn't even need to measure. Jess, I hope you're watching this, and I hope you like this, because if this is good, this is what we are going to all start doing. And if it doesn't taste good, this will get deleted. Nobody will ever see it for the later day. Now, one reason I'm doing this in a food processor rather than putting everything in a blender, if you have a really super high quality blender, then you know what? Great, it works. Be happy. My blender is not necessarily the greatest in the world, so.
But our food processor, on the other hand.
Yeah. So, just to be safe, to make sure that everything's blended as much as it should be, I'm gonna do this. Alright, so it's plugged in, so we're going to put this onto smoothie, I guess. So this looks like it's done, so I'm just going to take a quick spoon, just take a quick little taste test. Alex, if you can come in here, please. See how it's nice and...
It's nice and creamy.
Creamy. It's not as thick as what I like, but it's still pretty darn thick. Yeah, Amy?
Mmm.
Yeah,
Good.
We're gonna make that.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this into a container made for dressing, and we're gonna put this in the fridge to let it cool down some, and that's basically it.
That's really good.
I found it really amazing.
Yeah.
Like, wow.
I'm impressed.
I'm really impressed. I didn't honestly know what I was going to expect out of this, but you know what, guys? If you're concerned about your weight, your diet, or anything like that, then you know what? This is the best way to go.
Yeah.
Because this will absolutely give you the best result. There's no oil in it. There's no sugar in it. There's no. There's nothing in it. It's what? She's acting weird. She's not just the way.
He's acting weird.
But anyways, there's no oil. There's no fats to it. It's 100% vegan, and I promise you, it is.
It's really good.
This is amazing. I can't wait to put this on myself.
Yeah, same.
So, yeah, give it a try.
Yeah.
Please hit the like, share, subscribe button. Drop a link. Just to let you know, we just relaunched poulskitchen.com. Pouls kitchen.com. So check us out. We love to hear from you. Have a great day.